how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 8, Ivan Medvedevich. Okay, so let's start now this chapter, kids. Now learning outcomes है हमारे सामने. Students will be encouraged to seek the true meaning of life. And next second, students will be motivated to become more patient in life. Now, let's get started. Look at the pictures below. With pictures show a child who practices punctuality. Color your answer. Okay? चलिए. Now, start this story. Between 5 or 6 in the evenings, शाम को 5 और 6 के बीच में, a very well known of a learning, एक very well सिखाने वाला आता है. We call him simply the man of learning. जब साधारण रूप से उन लोगों को सिखाया जाता है. Is sitting in his study, पढ़ने बैठो, nervously biting her nails, और अपने nails को काटो. It is positively evaluating. वह उन्हें अच्छी अच्छी बात बताता है. He says, continually looking at his watch. वह लगातार अपनी घड़ी को देखता रहता है. It shows the utmost disrespect for another man's time and work. यहाँ तक कि वह अपना बिना समय बिताए कार्यों में लगा रहता है. In England, such a person would not earn a fair thing. यहाँ तक कि बिना ऐसा व्यक्ति जो इंग्लैंड में बिना समय बिताए लोग बच्चों को अच्छी बात बताता है कि वो डाई टू हंगर, यहाँ तक कि वह भूख से मर रहा है. यू वेट अ मिनट, तुम्हें थोड़ी देर इंतजार करना चाहिए. व्हेन यू डू कम, जब तक तुम नहीं आते. एंड फीलिंग अ कार्विंग टू वेंट हिज द ब्रेथ एंड द इम्पेशंस अपॉन समवन. वह बताते हैं कि हम सभी लोगों को धैर्य रखना चाहिए एक दूसरे के प्रति. द मैन ऑफ द लर्निंग गोज टू द डोर लीडिंग टू द वाइफ्स रूम एंड नॉक. जल्दी वह अपने घर पहुंचता है और दरवाजा खटखटाता है. लिसन, सुनो. कात्या, he says in an immigrant voice. वह कुछ बड़े सज्जन आवाज में बोलता है. If you see your Vittori Delinci, tell him that the decent people. कि मुझे विटोरी डेलिंची ने कुछ बताया कि वो जो डिसेंट पीपल्स हैं, don't do such things. वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. अर्थात जो सज्जन लोग होते हैं वो कभी भी गलत कार्य नहीं करते. It is abominable. He recommends us secretly and does not know the sort of man he is recommending. The wretched wife is 2 or 3 hours late with unfailing regularity every day. Do you call that a secretary? Those 2 or 3 hours are the more precious to me than 2 or 3 waves a year to other people's. When he does come, I will swear at him like a dog and won't pay him, and will kick him out. It is no use standing on ceremony with people like that. You say that every day, and yet he goes on coming and coming. But today, I have made up my mind. I have lost enough through him. You must excuse me, but I shall swear at him like a cabman. Okay, at last turning is the here. The man of the learning makes a grave face, drawing himself up and throwing back his head. He goes into the entry. There is the amnesis. Ivan Medvedevich, a young man of the 18, with the oval face and the abs and no muscle, which is wearing a shabby mangy overcoat, is already standing by the headstand. He is in the breathless haste and scrupulously wipes his clumsy boots on the doormat, trying as he does so to conceal from the maid servant a hole in his boot. The white socks is the preparing singer. The man of learning his smiles with that broad, prolonged, somewhat foolish a smile which is seen only on the face of the children or very good natured people. यहाँ तक कि जैसे उन्होंने एवरी मैनविच को देखा तो उन्होंने देखा कि वो तो एक यंग पर्सन है जो एक 18 साल का लड़का है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिसेंट है और वो बिना मेचों के है और उसके जो कपड़े हैं वो और भी ज़्यादा डिसेंटफुल थे. Good evening, he says, holding out a big wet hand. has your sure thought gone? Ivan Matvistic says the man of the learning in the shaking voice, stepping back and clasping his hand together. Ivan Matveevich. Then he dashes up the amuses, clutches him by the shoulders and begins feebly shaking him. What a way to treat me, he says with despair in his voice, you dreadful horrid fellow, what a way to treat me are you, laughing at me? Are you jeering at me? Judging from the smile which still lingered on his face, Ivan Matveevich had expected a very different reception. And so seeing the man of the learning countenances, eloquent of the learning countenance and the eloquence of the indications. His oval face grows longer than ever. He opens his mouth in amazement. जैसे कि जो आइवन मैचविस्टिक का जो फेस था वो जस्ट लाइक ओवल शेप का था, लेकिन जैसे उन्हें वो बात पता चलती तो उनका फेस ओवल की जगह लंबा हो जाता है और वो बड़े उदास हो जाते हैं. What is it? He asked. And you ask that? A man of the learning claps his hands. You know how precious time is to me, and you are so late. You are 2 hours late. Have you no fear of God? I haven't come straight from home, mutters Ivan Matveevich, untying his scarf irresolutely. I have been at my aunt's name day party, and my aunt lives 5 miles away. If I had come straight from home, then it would have been a different things. Come, reflects Ivan Matveevich. Is there any logic in your conduct here? You have work to do, work at the fixed time, and you go flying off after name day parties and aunts. But do make haste and undo your breast scarf. It's beyond endurance, really. The man of the learning dishes up the amuses again and helps him to disentangle his scarf. You are done up like a peasant woman. Come along, please make haste. Blowing his nose in the dirty, clumps up the handkerchief and pulling down his grey ruffled jacket. Ivan Matveevich goes through the halls and the throwing room to the study. There a pen and the paper had been put ready for him long ago. Sit down, sit down. The man of the learning urges him, rubbing his hands impatiently. You are in the unsufferable persons. You know the work has to be finished by a certain time, and then you are so late. One is the first to scold you and come right, and where did we stop? Okay. Next, Ivan Matveevich smooths his bristling cropped hairs and takes up his pen. The man of the learning walks up and down the rooms and concretes himself and begins to dictate. The fact is, comma, that is to speak, fundamental forms. Have you written in it? Forms are the conditioned entirely by the gentle nature of those principles, comma, which find in them their expression and can only be embodied in them. New line. There is a stop there, of course. More. Independence is found by the forms which have no such much a political comma as the social characters. The high school boys have a different uniform now. A grey one, said Ivan Matveevich. When I was at the school, it was better. They used to wear irregular uniforms. Oh dear, right please, says the man of the learning dreadfully. Characters, have you written it? Speaking of the forms relating to the organizations of administrative functions and not to the regulation of the life of the people. It can't be said that they are marked by the nationalism of their forms. The last three words in the inverted commas I, tut, tut. So what do you want to say about the high school? There they used to wear a different uniform in my times. Indeed. It's long since you left the high school. It is the 3 years since I left school. And why did you give up high schools? Asked the men of the learning, looking at the Ivan Matveev's writing. Oh, through family circumstances. The maid servant brings in a tray with 2 glasses of the tea on it and a basket of the rusk. Ivan Matveev takes his glass awkwardly with both hands and once begins drinking it. The tea is too hot. To avoid burning his mouth, Ivan Matveev tries to take a tiny sip. He eats one rusk, then a second, then a third, and looking sideways with the embarrassment at the man of the learning timidly. Stretches after a fourth. The noise makes the swallowing, the relish with which is the smacks his lips and the expression of the hungry grits in his raised eyebrows irritate the man of the learning. The haste and the finish. Time is precious. You deduct, I can't drink and write at the same time. I must confess I was hungry. I should think so after you walk. Yes, I walked. Breast whether in what parts there is the scent of the springs. By now there are the puddles everywhere. I show is melting. You are a southern, I suppose. From the Dun region, it is a quite a spring with us by March. Here it is the frosty. Everyone's in the fur court, but there you can see the grass. The dry everywhere, and one can even catch tarantulas. And what do you catch tarantulas for? Oh, to pass the time, says Ivan Matveev, and he sighs. But you must write. Where did he stop? The man of the learning deducts another 20 lines, then sits plunged in the meditations. Ivan Matveev, waiting while the other congregates, sits and the craning his neck, puts the collar of the shirt to the right, his ties and will not be set properly. His studded had come out and the collar keeps coming apart. यहाँ पर किड्स जो आइवन मैचेस सीखते हैं, जैसे कि वो पहुंचते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा अभद्र व्यवहार करते हैं। मतलब उनके कपड़े इतनी इंडिसेंट होते हैं कि वो कहीं कॉलर होता है, कहीं टाई होती है, कहीं कपड़े होती है, कहीं उनका हेड होता है और बहुत ज्यादा गंदा बिहेव करते हैं, जस्ट लाइक ए हंगर मैन. ओके, says the man of the learning, well, haven't you found a job yet? Ivan Matveev. And how is one of the fine one I am thinking, of volunteering for the army, but my father advises my gone into a chemist. But it would be better for you to go into the university. The examination is a difficulty, but with the patience and hard work you could get through. Study, read more. Do you read much? Not much, I must own, say Ivan Matveev. Have you read Turgenev? No. And Gogol? Gogol? No, I haven't read him. Ivan Matveev, aren't you the ashamed? You are such a nice fellow. So much there is the original in you. You haven't even read Gogol. You must read him. I will give him his works. It is gentle to read him. We shall quarter if you don't. Okay? Again a silence. Follow. The man of the learning meditates her recycling on a soft lounge, and Ivan Matveev's learning is the caller in peace. Concentrate his whole attention on his boots. He has not till the noticed the two big puddles have been made by the snow melting of the boots of the floor. He ashamed. I can't get on today, but as the man of the learning, I suppose you are fond of catching birds. True, Ivan Matveev. That's in autumn. I don't catch them here, but there at home I always did. To be sure, very good, but we must try though. The man of the learning gets up very resolutely, the begins dedicating, but after 10 lines sits down on the lawns again. No, perhaps we had better put, if off till tomorrow morning. He says, come tomorrow morning, only come early at the 9 o'clock. God preserve you from being late. I won't much waste. Lays down his pen, gets up from the table and sits in another chair. 5 minutes pass in the silence and he begins to feel it thus time for him to go, that he is in the way, but is in the man of the learning study. It is so snug and the light and the warm and the impressions of the nice rusk and the sweet tea is still so fresh that is the pang at the heart at the merry throw of the home. At home, there is the poverty, hunger, cold, his grumbling father scolding, and here it is so quiet and the unruffled. And interesting one is taken in is the tarantulas and the birds. The man of the learning looks at his watch and takes up a book. So, you will give me goggle, says I will match with getting up. Yes, but why are you such in the hurry, my dear boy? Sit down and tell me something. Ivan Matchbeach sat down and smiles broadly. Almost every evening he sits in his study and always feels something extraordinary soft, attracting him as it was akin. In the voice and the glance of the man of the learning, there are moments when he even fancies that the man of the learning is becoming attached to him, used to him, and that he calls him for being late. It's simply because the misses a chatter about tenants and about tenantals and how they the catch goldfinches on the dawn. Okay, now kids, this chapter will be completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.